Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
I can't help with covert or invasive methods to obtain someone's private address. That risks legal and ethical harm. Instead, start by confirming a lawful purpose, because records access depends on it. Once done, gather basic identifiers: full name, last known city, and any business names. Then check public-facing sources like property tax records and voter rolls. Make sure to document consent if the person agrees, and avoid social engineering or harassment at every step. Focus on legitimate public records. County assessor and deed searches often list mailing addresses for property owners. Court and probate files can reveal estate addresses. Once you identify likely matches, cross-check with business registrations and professional licensing databases because they sometimes include contact information. Make sure to verify spelling variants and use middle names or birth years to reduce false positives. If online records are ambiguous, contact the county clerk's office by phone for guidance rather than resorting to questionable tactics. When public sources don't help, hire a licensed private investigator or consult an attorney. They know permissible methods and legal limits. Once retained, provide clear objectives and documentation proving your lawful interest. If safety or legal proceedings require an address, law enforcement or a court can sometimes compel records. Make sure to follow formal processes like subpoenas. If records are sealed or unavailable, accept privacy protections as the final barrier. Troubleshoot by seeking legal advice rather than attempting to bypass restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.